Excellent stuff. And Lee, what about you? What do you favour for growing? I mean, it's obviously better to grow things you enjoy, right, rather than getting a glut of things you're not going to eat.
If I'm giving advice to anybody about growing veg, I always say look on your shopping list.
Yes.
Top 5 veg shopping list. That's what you should be looking at growing.
Oh, good shout.
It's the thing you buy the most often. That's what you should be trying to produce.
Yeah.
Eat
So
as
for
much as you can.
a lot of people are going to be putting potatoes on there, aren't they? And I'm really looking forward to people's potato growing techniques. Go on, Lee.
Potatoes are so simple, so easy to grow. It's great for growing with the kids. You grow them in buckets, in tubs. It makes sense to do potatoes at every opportunity. Everybody should be growing their own. So easy, so easy.
That's interesting. You should say that. I don't have that down as an easy thing. So will you take us through that at some point?
Oh yeah, well, I'll take you through it now. I don't buy seed potatoes from the store. As everybody does, you have a few spuds in the bottom of the cupboard that have started to shoot.
Yeah.
I put them aside, and that's what I use as my base seed potato. Last year we grew them in the ground here, but this year I'll be doing it in large tubs. So the larger tub you can find, the better. A few inches of soil in the bottom. Add your spuds, and as you see, the shoots are coming through. Pick off the bottom couple of leaves, put more soil into, you're gradually building up.
Okay.
When you get to the top or your maximum soil allowance for the tub, let the plant grow naturally. It'll develop a flower on the top. You wait for the flower to die. When the plants start to look weak, tip out your tub, and that's your potatoes. It's so simple.
Yes, all right, fantastic.